What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we're unboxing the Breville Bambino. This is one of Breville's most compact and efficient espresso machines on the market. Whether you're a new home barista or a seasoned espresso lover looking to save some counter space, this machine offers high performance in a small package. Let's get right into it. First off, Breville always does a great job with packaging. As you can see, the highlights on the Bambino features right on the box. We're talking a fast 3-second heat up time thanks to the thermojet system, pre-infusion for better extraction, and a manual milk texturing, all in a compact footprint. As you can see, the Breville Bambino is well protected with foam inserts, keeping everything secure during transit. Right on top, we have a user manual and a quick start guide, which is always a good idea to look over before you get started. Let's take a look at the accessories. First up, we have a 54mm stainless steel portafilter. This is the same size you'd find in the Breville's higher end models, offering consistency in extraction. Next, we have a plastic tamper, which we will get the job done if you're just starting out, but you might want to upgrade to a heavier tamper down the line for better control. In the package, you're going to find that Breville has included single and double walled baskets for all of your brewing needs. Also included in the box is Breville's descaler solution. Breville also includes a 16-ounce stainless steel milk jug for frothing, which is perfect for beginners to practice texturing milk. And here is the star of the show, the Breville Bambino itself. As you can see, it's nicely packaged, as we mentioned earlier in the video. As you can see, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around and perfect for small kitchens. Despite its size, it has a solid, high-quality build featuring a brushed stainless steel finish that will look great in any space. The Bambino is known for being compact, but don't let the size fool you. This machine is designed to deliver cafe-quality espresso with minimal counter space. Let's take a closer look at the features. On the front panel, you'll see it's really straightforward, just 3 buttons for a single shot, double shot, and steam. No complex menus or dials here, making it incredibly user-friendly. Here's a close-up of the manual steam wand, which is great at producing microfoam, and it has a really nice full range of motion. At the back, you've got a 1.4-liter removable water reservoir. It's easy to fill and remove, and holds enough water for multiple espresso shots without needing consistent refills. Now let's power up the machine. One of the best things about the Bambino is the thermojet heating system, which heats the machine in just 3 seconds, where you're ready to start brewing almost instantly. Now let's look at the startup. You're going to start up by pressing the single cup button, which is going to allow for water to pass through the group head about 3 different cycles. Once this is complete, you're going to want to make sure that you have a container also underneath the steam arm, as it also purges water through it as well. Don't do what I did because it made a huge mess, but I did cut that out, and I'm going to show you the ending of it when the water goes through the steam arm, as you're going to see in this upcoming clip. My first impressions of the Breville Bambino are really positive. It's compact, heats up almost instantly, and still offers the control you need for quality of espresso and milk frothing. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced home baristas, and you have a really nice, easily removable drip tray. Thanks for joining me today with this unboxing. If you're interested in the Breville Bambino or any other espresso gear, make sure to check out our website at Espresso Outlet for all of your espresso needs. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. And until next time, peace.